Just took the cover off my transfer case. 241 DLD Dodge Ram diesel 02 in four-wheel drive, low speeds. This thing would bang and sound like somebody's beating the bottom of the truck with a jackhammer. Didn't do anything driving down the street. Only does it in four-wheel drive. Going from reverse to drive, just bang, 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 bang. As you can see, chain's got a little bit of slop in it. That chain has just 30,000 miles on it. Good old Borg Warner crap. So, just thought I'd put the info out there. I'm sure this is going to fix my problem. It had to be jumping the teeth on that gears. Gears look okay. I didn't see any real too bad of damage at all on them. But the chain is just terrible. Hope it helps somebody.